Good afternoon, guys. I just wanted to provide you with some test taking strategies and some review for your upcoming district assessment, and we'll just go over each of these bullet points together. The first bullet point, look for the skills they are testing, okay? When you're presented with a question, see what it is they're trying to test. Are they trying to see if you know how to use commas? Are they trying to see if you know subject verb agreement, verb tense, if you know how to find the theme, the main idea? Maybe they're trying to see if you can identify a topic sentence, that sentence that tells me what the whole paragraph is about, or if you know how to find the middle ingredients or concluding sentence. So make sure you are reading the question and then you got to kind of read in between the lines and see what it is they're trying to test you on so you can answer that question, okay? Read the whole sentence before you answer. Don't just guess. If it's a revise and edit sentence and they give you the option for no change needed, if you're 100% sure that no change is needed, then select no change needed. Okay? Don't rush. I'm going to give you the entire day to finish the test. So you have the class time and then you have the whole rest of the day. So if you need to come back to it, that's okay. Come back to it. Rely on the rules. Again, there are rules in English. So make sure you remember the rules. If there's a rule that you do not remember, go and look it up now. If you're not sure about commas, look it up now. If you're not sure about topic sentence, go now. Don't wait until you're taking a test and then try to look it up. Okay? Same thing here with the rules. Know the common rules, okay? Some of those tricks and tips that we gave you guys throughout the lessons, make sure you're using those. Eliminate identical answers. When you have an answer choice A, B, C, and D, usually two are just definitely not correct. Cross those two out. And then of the two that are left, you want to choose the one that makes the most sense, the one that's closest to the rule, whatever the rule is. If it's subject verb agreement, the one that's closest to the rule. If it's use of commas, the one that's closest to the rule, okay? When combining sentences, remember you cannot combine two complete sentences with just a comma. You have to somehow include, you may want to take out the subject. Maybe you're saying the subject too many times. Maybe the comma's in the wrong place and you need to remove a word and put the comma and then the fanboy. Make sure you're looking at that. But if it's two complete sentences, then it needs to remain two complete sentences. Okay? Remember appositives. Okay, remember they can be removed and the sentence still makes sense. Here's an example. John, my best friend, lives next door. The appositive, my best friend, if I take that out, John lives next door. Okay? So the appositive is always set off by a comma and then you close it in with a comma. Remember, it can be removed. Okay. Use the dictionary for anything. If you need to know what something means, if you need to look something up, make sure you use the dictionary. Keep in mind that the part of speech is right next to the definition. Okay. So, for example, it may have the word coat, and then right next to it, coat, and then it'll have the end, period. And right there is showing you the part of speech now. Okay. So the part of speech is right next to the word when you're looking it up in a dictionary. Lastly, you want to answer the question that you're asked. Okay. And what we mean by that is if it says which is not the correct, make sure you're looking for the one that's not. A lot of times we go and find the correct. Don't go and find which is the correct spelling if it says which is not the correct spelling. Circle the word not so that you know that you're looking for the one that's not. Okay, remember these are usually easy, but they'll throw this not in here to throw people off because they're not answering the question that they're asked. Okay? So those are the tips and tricks that I have for you for your review. Go back and review these things. If you are not sure, use the internet to help you review them. Use the slides that I have in Google Classroom to help you review. Take the test seriously, okay? Take it seriously. This is for your grade. This is for your score. This is showing what you've learned and what it is we still need to teach you. That's it. Do your best and have a good day.